Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache inside your PC, laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Now, click on the three dots at the top right. Now scroll down and click on Settings. After coming here, click on Privacy. Security. Here, you'll see the first option showing Delete Browsing Data. Click on it. Here, you can see the time range, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours, or all time. You can set it to however much cache you want to clear. I have set it to all time. Here, you will uncheck browsing history. Because we only want to clear the cache, you will leave cookies checked and leave cache checked. We currently have 1.1 megabytes of cache. We are going to delete it. Click on Delete from this device. And in this way, our cache will be cleared. And that's it. How to clear cache in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.